Welcome to Gasoline Alley. It's your Harley-Davidson story, so do it your way.
Might be you ride 50,000 kilometres or more per year.
Could be you're into riding the saddle saw ride, 1,600 kilometres in a day.
Maybe you only ride a couple of 100 kilometres a year.
You might not ride much, but you get enjoyment from spending your spare time in the shed polishing and cleaning your Harley.
Maybe you love to spend time with your hog chapter on day rides or full-on trips covering thousands of kilometres.
Like some of us here, you might just like to go for a ride by yourself and clear the mind.
Could be you riding your street bike down the quarter mile at a casual 9.6 seconds.
Maybe you ride your Harley on a road racetrack, or you're into banging bars with mates occasionally on a dirt track.
Maybe like some of our mates, you jump on your bike and ride to Perth to check in on a mate.
Could be your Harley as your daily ride.
Might be you're that guy who loves showing off doing wheelies and skids on your Harley.
Maybe you borrow one of our demo bikes from time to time and struggle to give it back to us.
Could be your time is riding down here on a Saturday morning, grabbing a coffee and a burger, catching up with mates and checking out all the other bikes in the car park. Yep, car park cruising is definitely a thing.
Your experience with us might be shopping at our online store. Thank you.
Whatever your Harley story is, ride with us.
Because we 100% believe selling and servicing Harley-Davidson motorcycles should not be treated like selling and servicing white goods.
Ride with us. It's your Harley story.
Enjoy your ride your way.